Hi, my name is Martin from GHM Academy, and today we're going to learn how to make a quiz. So let's start right now. Okay, so now we're on the main page of GHM Academy, which is the bookstore. So what we need to do to create a quiz, we need to go into the menu and then go to Manage Quizzes. So here we have the choices of going to old quizzes that I've created, but we want to do one from scratch. So let's go with New Quiz. Now, in the new quiz, what we're going to be doing is a lesson on the solar system. So I've already started my lesson here. I just need to add a quiz. So let's just do lesson 1, and we're going to call it solar system. Perfect. So we got our name in. We save our name. So that way we make sure that our quiz is well started. Then we have the choice of multiple choices of text or short text. So here my goal is to use some multiple choices, to use some text and some short texts to challenge the students to learn a little bit about the solar system. So let's do one on multiple choices first. So how many planets are there in the solar system? So we can do this as a multiple choice. We can write 7, we can write 6, we can write 9, and we can write 8. So now we have the choices. We're going to pick the correct answer, which is 8 if we don't count Pluto. All right, so we're going to add another one here. We're going to add a short text. Now, in the short text, we could say name the third planet from the sun. All right, so the answer is Earth. So that could be an answer. We could give it also points. So we could say, well, that's not too hard. So we'll give it 2 points. This one also will give it 2 points. Now we can go to the next question, right? Which could be something a little more complicated if we wanted to. So let's do the next question, a text question. And let's say, describe to me the solar system after listening to the video. And there, and then let's add a video. Let's put that's a little harder, 8 points, and let's add a video. So let's go and get our video on the solar system. So we're going to do that right now. So this one's on the Earth. We're going to search one on YouTube. We're going to call it solar system. And then we're going to find ourselves a nice video about the solar system. This is the video I want because I already have this one in my lesson. So it kind of makes it similar for the students. And I'm going to copy, just need to copy. That's as simple as that. And then the link, and I just paste the link here, and boom, and here's my video. And we could add another, we could say, describe them to me, describe the following video below about the solar system. So it's kind of like, there we go. So describe the following video about the solar system. So maybe what they think about it. We could write the question in a different way, but anyways, this is my question. And then we can add something that could be another short text question that could have multiple answers. So we could basically say, let's say, what color is the moon? Now that could be, you know, maybe some people could write white, some could write gray. So we're not sure. So we're giving them both the answers, so white or gray, or some can write silver. So whatever they write here, white, gray, or silver, the answer will be correct, but they have to write it in. It's not a multiple choice. And as you notice, we can't pick the correct answers because all of these are the correct answers. So let's save that. Now we've saved our quiz, and now we want to put it into our lesson. So from here, we're going to go back to our lesson that I've created about the solar system. So I want to go into my lessons, and here it is, solar system. From here, I want to add it on my settings, and then we just need to remember, so it's a little faster to find. Oops, there it is, solar system. And there you go. I've just added my quiz, and here's my quiz. So let's try it. Let's put a wrong answer here. Name the three planets. Should have been the third planet, but anyways, we'll just put Earth. Sorry about that. We'll correct that after. And then I could just write, I love this video. And then from here, I can write what color is the moon, and I'll just say silver, right? Which is one of my answers. So I just basically press it, I say yes, and here we go. These are the correct answers. Now, the one in blue needs to be corrected by you. So in other words, later on, you need to go back into the student's profile in your classroom, and that way you'll be able to correct it, give them the right answer, and that way you will be able to give it a score, and the student will receive a score. Now I got 3 out of 13 because this is 10 points. Once I go back and correct it, I could, that will increase my score. That's why it's blue, and the student will have to wait until that one will be corrected. So that's how you add and also create a quiz. Please feel free to go to watch our other videos about how-tos, and that will help you out to be able to create different things. See you next time. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our MPO channel and also like this video. See you soon. Take care.